is 2-meter wire. Yeah. Apple original charger for 14 Pro Max. Look at this. This is the original charger. I'll show you how it look alike. Look at this. This is Apple original. Look at this. It is very simple. Yes, it is. It is Apple original charger. I just bought it from directly Apple store. This is 2-meter wire. Normally in Pakistan we are just using 1 meter, but it is 2-meter wire, and that is original charger. Let me just show you Apple 2-meter wire. Normally we all are just using 1 meter, but the length of this wire is 2 meter, and especially I just bought it from Apple store, and normally when it is not available, look at this, it is seal packed. This is you can see the seal original. So if we just need to open this, look at this, let me show you how we're gonna remove this. Okay, so let me show you. This is Apple 2-meter. Normally in Pakistan we are just using 1 meter, but this is 2-meter wire. So let me just remove this. It is 2-meter wire. Look at this. The length is 2 meter. It is original wire. Look at this. It is original 2 meter.